Hey everyone, it's Emily Reagan. I am here today, not usually working on Fridays, but I am about to convert a movie, an IGTV movie, for my client, which I tend to do on Fridays, and I just thought I would share you my little trick to doing that. So the problem is IGTV can only be scheduled as an MP4. And by the time I do all my editing, it exports as a dot movie. So I have this little converting tool. I paid $60 for it because I do this a lot. You can find free converters online, but they usually don't handle large file sizes. So if you start editing video for your clients, you're going to want some way to convert. Now, just last week, I recorded a recording of me for a podcast, and then I was able to turn it into an MP3 this way too. But I use this program called Unicoverter, and I'm just going to come over here and drag my dot movie. Super easy. And then I can decide what I want to convert it to. So last time I was doing an MP3, I only wanted an audio clip for my friend's podcast. This time I'm going to do an MP4. So I'm going to come out here to video, click MP4, and oops, hopefully it changes. Video, MP4, same as source. Okay, no subtitles, convert all. It's just going to take a couple minutes. Here comes my kids. It's just going to take a couple minutes, and then it will spit out into a converted folder for me where I can upload it to Dropbox for my client so her VA can schedule it on the Facebook Creator Studio. There we go. It's successful. If you like these kind of tasks, if you find yourself liking digital media tasks, sign up for my free digital media training series. There's a whole bunch of videos I've done like this. And then also I have my top 10 most requested tasks that you can download and see that clients really do need help with this type of work. So that's all I have. I'll see you next time.